Oh. What's up, guys? It's Josh. Today we're going to be transferring that straight pipe right over there to this beautiful hatch. 2002 Subaru Impreza Outback Sport, if I do say myself. We took the straight pipe from the wagon, 2.5 inches wide with a fat tip. And we're going to transfer it to this beast. I know it might not be much, but it might be loud. And that's what we're going to figure out today. We got an intake too to put on, and we got headlights to do if we get to it today. We also have a bunch of interior work to be done, like doing some interior trim pieces, a little bit of green, you know what I mean. And just kind of clean the car a little bit. It's a little bit dirty, a little bit of dirt in it. So anyways, we got to get to it now before it starts pulling down. So yeah, let's go. Ah! O2 sensor? What? Boom. One out. Can't wait for it to decapitate me. Really, I'll be ecstatic. Almost, I can feel it. Almost.
You got it.
Got it. Nut.
Wait, turn the camera and say nut again.
Nut.
Okay, I zoomed in on your face.
All we gotta do is take off the rubber grommets and it's easy as that. Where do we put the jack on?
Easy does it.
Pump up. Grommet right there. I want to put the jack like right here on this little pipe. Oh, it needs to be tight. Just how it resting. Boom. I need the biggest screwdriver known to man.
Oh, I see what you're saying. I see in what you're saying.
God.
So we're just gonna cut back to when we have the exhaust completely off, and maybe we'll give you a nice startup, before and after. Well, pre-installation and wide open.
I can say it, obviously. Muddy teeth.
First startup, nothing in it.
Ready?
It's a little different, but it sounds the same.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Five.
Okay. She's on. She's fat. She's sticking out 10 feet.
10 feet.
But we're going to drop her down. Then we're going to start on the intake. And then once we got all the goodies on, we're going to give you a nice, fresh start up. Is it what?
Fresh.
Fresh. Fresh
We
start
just
up.
had to do a little bit of tinkering on the pipe itself. The grommets didn't match up, so we just had to do a little bit of adjustments. And right now, as it sits, we got some grommets on. But it's pretty stable as it is. It's as stable as it was on the wagon, so I'm not complaining. Yeah, but all we gotta do, get the jack back underneath here, put it on the floor. And then we open the hood, intake, and possibly headlights, because time is running short. Or at least daylight. Dark at 5 p.m.
That's how it be. And we also have to remove the stock intake to get to the headlights, so we might just bust those out. So we'll see. We'll see. But sounds good. I'm interrupting this video just shortly while he's just trying to put those lights in real quick. Just want to let you know that I want to reach our goal of 50 subscribers. So if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe below. Also, I just want to let you guys know that I got merch down below, which I have on right here. So if you want to check those out, huge way to support the channel. With all that being said, let's get right back into the video.
And done.
Alright. We got intake on. Took a little bit of tweaking, but we got it on. It's all nice and good. For a minute there we thought it wasn't gonna fit because the hood was in the way, but then we got the hood out of the way, and then we got the intake good, and then boom. Now we're just moving on. What kind of lights are they? LEDs?
Yeah, they're just really bright white lights.
These are right here. We got some.
LEDs wouldn't work with those housings.
Right, so we got some of these nice bright white lights. They're gonna look sick. Sheesh.
Nipple clamps, dude.
Nipple clamps.
Nipple clamps. Did somebody say nipple clamps? Okay, I need this.
So that's the old. That's the new. Looks solid. Now we're just figuring out these lights real quick.
I don't want to break that.
You're gonna break it, all right.
Oh. There's no way to just pull that out.
All right, so this is the first official start with everything on. You ready, buddy? I'm ready.
We're not gonna point out the headlight problem.
Oh, we can hear the intake.